Hey guys, so I know I'm a bit late on this, but I was on Twitter earlier on and I came across this girl called Giovanna Plowman or whatever. Basically, she's this girl who made a video on YouTube eating her own tampon. Now, first of all, when I heard this, I was like, what the fuck? Nobody is so fucking disgusting to do that. But you know, so I went onto Google, typed in whatever, and there was this video of this girl eating her own motherfucking tampon. How fucking disgusting is that? First of all, I just want to ask, is she even fucking human? Because this bitch clearly got issues. You know what, she's not even on the levels. She's like way up there. She's on like her own fucking universe, because that is so disgusting. It's not even acceptable on Earth. You know what I think? I think she's got fucking mental problems, because nobody in their right mind will do something as psychotic as that. I mean, eating your own tampon, holy shit, that's like fucking nasty. I was literally watching the video and I was gagging. I was like, oh my god, you know what I mean? Like, this is fucking weird. Holy shit. Oh, fucking hell. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Oh. Holy shit. Oh my god, I can't even watch anymore. I'm fucking sick. When I was actually watching the video, I was actually surprised that I didn't vomit. It was so disgusting, and it's just the whole concept of actually eating a tampon. It may not be real, but the whole thing is just gross. I know some people are saying that the video might be fake. Oh, it's, dipped in dye, or it's Kool-Aid, or it's got ketchup or whatever on it. But you know what? I don't even fucking care if it is fake, because you don't joke about shit like that. It's so nasty. It's like, I don't. You just don't. You don't joke about things like that. If it was funny, like if it was something actually fucking hilarious, yeah, maybe make a video. Maybe make a video that won't make the rest of the people watching the video sick. Also, like, I don't get what your fucking problem is. Maybe you're poor. Maybe you can't afford some real food. But the fact that you actually have to go and eat your own motherfucking tampon is saying something, do you know what I mean?